This is Welding machine for our American customer Rania from Texas. This is the power wires. When you're using it, we recommend at least 16 square meter wires of copper wires or aluminum wires. Need to connect 2 wires only. This is the air station. This air valve can be adjustable. Pull it up with the red line shown. Clockwise bigger, counterclockwise smaller. Here is the place where the air blow out the water or the dust out while using. This is the oil cup. Before you use it, you take out this part and fill it with the oil. Engine oil must be. This is for water input. It will come out from here, this place, and this injector come out from this place. This is water output place. The water went into the tank and flow out from this place. You can also use an oil pump. Water pump. So the water can be used, recycled. One more thing. These 2 places are for oil. This small place is also for oil. Must be engine oils. Yeah, the 4 places are all for engine oils. This is for stroke of air cylinder. It is fixed now. It can be adjustable. These small places are for the speed of the air cylinder working speed. After connection of the electricity, this is the switch for the motors. That one is for running right and running left and the speed. This is the core part of the control. Choose the parameters. This is the time of the motor. We leave some time for the motor to run. This is the time of the air cylinder coming up. We normally put it around 40 to 60. Not too short, not too long. Yeah, we have to let the copper stations to come together, then put into the electricity in. This is for impulse, very important. If you want the pulse, you put into the numbers. If you put this number to be 0, then it will be full welder with no pulse. This is a welding temperature. After all set, confirm. Done. This is the 0 point. It will count after you start the production and do the welding. One weld, one counting, and another day or in the next counting, you clearance for 0. This point, the third switch is for continuous welding. You put the continuous welding, it will weld continuously without stop. Otherwise, it will be manual. Now we have tried 2 plates running. Okay. Then we put the pulse to be 0. And we look at the effect of no pulse. It will be full weld. Okay, thank you for the watching.